Hello, my dear little friends. This question comes under logical reasoning and is related to days and dates. The question reads Varun's birthday falls just before 4th Friday of May 2000XX. On which date does Varun celebrate his birthday? And then you are given the calendar of this particular month, that is May 2000XX, and then you are given four options from which you have to choose the correct option. So falls just before 4th Friday means, this particular word means just before, means a day before. Just before 4th Friday means a day before 4th Friday. So now let us try to infer from this calendar which date is this particular 4th Friday. So you can see the month starts from Wednesday, that is first day fall on Wednesday. 1st May falls on Wednesday. Then comes Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 2, 3. The first Friday of the month is 3rd. The second Friday is 10. Let me write it like this, Friday. So the first Friday is on 3rd May. Second Friday is on 10th May. So you can see, as because there are seven number of days in a week, 7 days in a week, so the gap between consecutive Fridays will be 7. So you can check over here, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Third Friday will fall on, similarly, if you add 7 to this 10, will fall on 10 plus 7 is 17th. So the third Friday falls on 17th of May is the third Friday, and then 4th Friday will fall on 17 plus 7, which is 24th. So 24 is the 4th Friday. Now 24th is the 4th Friday, so you may be tempted to answer this particular question, 24th May 20XX, but the question asks birthday falls just before 4th Friday. So the just before 4th Friday will be, let us see, 24th May 20XX. The day before 24th May is 23rd May 20XX. So my dear little friends, please read the question carefully while answering, because even after inferring the calendar correctly, you may arrive at the wrong answer. Friday 24th May is 4th Friday, and just before 4th Friday is 23rd May 2000XX. So the answer is 23rd May 2000XX, that is option B. So this is one way of doing thing, where you have to add 7 with the dates and arrive at the right answer. Let us try to figure out if our inference is correct or not by completing this calendar. The calendar is given till the date 13th, which falls on Monday. So 14th Tuesday, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then 19 falls on Sunday. Monday is 20th, Tuesday is 21, 22, 23rd. Yes, our calculation is right. 24th is Friday, and then 25th. So this is how you can complete the calendar, and also check that 24th is May is the 4th Friday. This is 1, 2, 3rd, 4th. So 4th Friday is 24th, and just before 4th Friday is 23rd May 2000XX. So this is the right answer. 23rd May 2000XX is the right answer. So my dear little friends, for these type of question, you have to read the question very carefully and arrive at the answer. Do not rush, but you have to carry out the calculations fast during the exam. I have elaborately explained this, but during the exam you have to just read the question that this is just before, and then carry on your calculation. 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 7 24, so that you can get to the 4th Friday, and the day before 4th Friday is 23rd. Okay, my dear little friends, a lot of explanations I have given. Practice is the main thing over here. So practice with Decode Monk. Thank you.